You probably have seen technical analysts in the crypto or forex market trying to bring out something like this chart, and you wonder, how do they understand all these things, and what are the components of all this chart that look like some statistics or some mathematics and physics? Because a lot of people have commented on this and feel like it looks like some mathematics or some physics or some statistics, and you tend to find it difficult to understand. So all these things are technical analysis being done on platforms like TradingView that I have on my screen right now, and we use this to understand, or we use this to determine what is likely going to happen in the market in the future. So if you understand technical analysis, you'll be able to read the chart, understand the chart, and determine what are you going to do in the market and how are you going to make profit. Is Bitcoin going to fall or rise? Is Euro USD going to fall in price or rise? So technical analysis basically teaches you all these things. But now, before you understand technical analysis, there are some very important things you need to understand. One of them is the candlestick chart, because all the charts in the market, their basis is candlestick. And as you can look at my screen right now, the chart you have on my screen right away, it has candlesticks, different candles formed together to form some patterns or a chart that you can see. So all these candles, each of them represent the movement of price in a particular time frame. So each of these candles represent the movement of price action, how price has been acting within a specific period of time. So now let's talk about time frame. But before we talk about that, let me welcome you back to my channel and tell you that in this video, the basic thing we are going to talk about is the most basic aspect of technical analysis, which is the candlestick chart. So if you are someone who want to learn more about cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, technical analysis, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will appreciate so much if you can hit the like button so that YouTube algorithm tend to push this video out to many more people so that they can also benefit from it. So hit the like button right now so that happens, and enjoy the rest of the video. So now let's talk about what we call time frame. Time frame specifically means that the movement of a price in a specific time that you are analyzing on the chart. So you have different time frame. We have the monthly time frame. That means each of these candles, I'm going to talk about the anatomy of this candle, how we understand this candle, how we look at it, what it signifies. But then each of these candles in this chart represent movement of price in 1 month. So if you can look at this candle, for example, you will see Saturday, 1st of May 2021, and this one starts 1st of June 2021. You can see this one 1st of July 2021, 1st of August, and like that and like that. You can see this is 1st of June 2022. So movement of candle, each of these candles represent the movement of price within 1 month. And if you're on a weekly time frame in a technical analysis, a weekly time frame each candle represents the movement of price in 1 week. You can see this one 13th of March, that's the beginning of another week. 20th of March, 27th of March, 3rd of April. So that is a weekly time frame. And you are looking at a daily time frame. It means that each candle represents the movement of price in 1 day on a daily time frame. Each candle represents the movement of the price in 1 day. So time frame is very important when you are looking at candles and how they work. So now let's talk about the components of each candle and how are you going to understand them? How are you going to identify them? And how are you going to bring a meaning to each candle? But before I talk about that, understand that every chart you have comprises of candlesticks, different candles formed together to give you a chart that you read or to understand, to be able to determine what price is going to do next. Yeah, so now this is how it works. This is basically the basics you have to understand about candlestick. So this is a candle and this is another candle. But then this candle is bullish. This candle that has a white body is bullish. Sometimes they put it like a red body, and sometimes they put this one as a green body and the second one as a red body, and sometimes they put this one as a white body and the second one as a black body. So any candle that you see that has a green body on your chart is, let's use this. Let's use this. Yes, fine. Any candle that you see that has a green body on your chart is a bullish candle. You can see they put it here, bullish. And this red one is a bearish. So they can put this green body as white and this red as black. It's still the same thing. So what it signifies is that when something is bullish in the crypto market or in any financial market, it signifies the movement of the price upward. So let's say, for example, this is a 5-minute time frame. It means that the price started from this place and moved up to close at this place. And when something is bearish, it signifies the falling of the price. Remember, bullish means the price is going up or rising in a layman language, and bearish means the price is falling or it is going down. So now, what are the components of a candlestick? What does candlestick comprises of? The candlestick has majorly two things. The body, which is the body. This is this rectangular part of the candlestick is the body. You can see this is the green body and this is the red body. And it has the upper and lower shadows, which we call the wick. W-I-C-K, wick. So we call it wick or upper and lower shadow. So this is the wick on top of it and this is the wick at the bottom. So this one here too, there is a wick on top and there is a wick on the bottom. But the reality is that not all candles have wicks. Yes. And there are some candles also that don't have body, which is what we call the dodgy candle. I'm going to talk about that later on in this video. So the basic thing is that all candlesticks have two components. The first one is the body of the candle, and the second one is the shadows, which is either upper or lower shadow. So now, why is this candle bullish and why is this bearish? Why is this candle a green candle and why is this a red candle? Let's talk about that. This candle is a green candle because it is bullish. It signifies the movement of the price from the low part to the upper part. So now this candle is such that the price opened here. You know, I said every candlestick it works with the time frame. So let's say this candlestick is on a 1 hour chart. It means each candle represents the movement of the price in an hour. So now let's say the price starts at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. at here, and it opened here. Then the price moved to this price, signifying the lowest point. So we call this place the low of the candle. It signifies the lowest point the price reached during that movement. Then when it get to this place, the buyers started coming in and they pushed the price up to this place, which is the highest point the price reached during that movement, which is like 1 hour, right? Then the price then come back and closed here. So this is the closing price. So if the opening price is lower than the closing price, it means the price moved upward. So now in a 1 hour chart, so let's say this price opened at 1 p.m. and started moved to it and closed here at 2 p.m. or 1:59. So that is the movement of the price in 1 hour represented by a candle. So basically all these candles we find on our chart represent the movement of the price within a specific time frame. So if this time frame is not 1 hour, let's say it is 1 minute, it still signifies the movement of the price in that 1 minute. If it is 1 week, it signifies the movement of the price in that 1 week. So each candle you see on your chart signifies the movement of the price in a specific time frame. And when you have a bullish candle, it means that the candle opened at the lower price and it first moved down and then it started moving up and it closed here. So it opened here, let's say the price here is $5 and the price where it closed is $10. It means that the price has appreciated by $5. So that is how you understand the concept. So now in a bearish candle, the price opened here at the top and they pushed it to the top a little bit and they could not sustain the top. Then the price started dropping to get to this lowest point. Then it closed there. So let's say the price opened there at $10 and started dropping to close here at $5. We say it is a bearish movement or it's a bearish candle because the price has come down or depreciated in value. So now let's go into our charts and identify all this. So guys, this is a chart of BTC USDT on a weekly time frame. You can see we have a lot of candles. So let's just identify some of these candles. You can see this red candle is a bearish candle. And where is the opening price? Where is the closing price? It means that the price opened here at this point. That is the opening price. And when the price opened there, it started coming down and it created a lower shadow or a wick, and the price closed right here. So you can see that this is the opening price of this candle. This is the closing price, and this is the lowest point the price reached during this movement. That is how you understand. So basically everything that happened within this time happened in a week, which suggests the time frame that we are currently using. So let's look at this green candle. Let's look at this green candle. So in this green candle, this is the body and we have a little wick on it. So this is the opening price. Let me delete what we already have on this chart so that you can see that. Let me just remove this drawing. So talking about this candle, this is the opening price. The candle opened here, moved down a little bit to form this wick, and it started moving up and it closed right here. So it means that the price started from this place and it moved up and closed at this point, which is 48,000. So the price started here at 38,000 and closed at 40. So we call that a bullish candle because it tells us that the price moved from a lower place to a higher place. And when you have a bearish candle like this one, it opened up here and it closed down here. It signifies that the price moved from a higher place to a lower. So that is basically how we read the candlestick chart. Because each of these candles represent the movement of the price from one point to another. So now how do you know exactly the time it moved? It depends on the time frame you are using. If you are using a weekly time frame like I am using on this chart, it signifies that this movement occurred within a week. Each movement that happened in each of these candles occurred within a week. And if you switch to the daily time frame, it simply signifies that each movement we see in these candles happen within a day. And you can see that as this 8th December, 9th December, 10th December, you can see each movement happens. So that is how it happens. So if you are looking at 30 minutes, that's how it happened in 30 minutes. In 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, that is how basically it happens. So candlesticks signify the movement of the price from one point to another on your charts within a specific time frame. So basically there are different kind of candlesticks, a lot of them, which I'm going to cover in subsequent video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to watch that and click on the notification bell such that whenever I release that video, you'll be the first person to watch it. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you got some value. If you got some value from this video, I'm going to implore you to make sure you like this video. Hit the like button. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's go. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you really got some values. If you have some videos or some topics you would like me to talk about, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section. And if there is a question or something you enjoyed or gained from this video, make sure you put it in the comment section too, and I will see you in the next video.